So what do we do if we are going to use decomposition to add or subtract numbers? We basically have to decompose or separate each digit of a number into their values according to their place value. Let me give you an example. Say we want to add the numbers 350 to 126. We will now recall the lesson about the expanded form of numbers. So 350 can also be written this way. Let's write 350 here. That's 3 times 100. That means we have 3 100s plus 5 times 10. That means we have 5 10s plus 0 ones, since we have 0 as the last digit in the ones place, which is of course equal to 300 plus 50 plus 0. Now let's do the same thing for 126. So 126 is equal to 1 100 plus 2 tens plus 6 ones, or 100 plus 20 plus 6. Next, let's arrange the values of the places in a column. So let's write it over here. So for 350, we have 300 plus 50 plus 0. And then for 126, we have 100 plus 20 plus 6. Now what we're going to do is we are going to add only those values from the same place. So we're going to add 300 and 100, and then we're going to add 50 and 20 since they are in the same tens place. 300 and 100 are in the same hundreds place, and 0 and 6 are in the ones place. So 300 plus 100 gives us 400. 50 plus 20 gives us 70, and 0 plus 6 gives us 6. So these numbers are the values of the places that we have added. And let's just put a line here to segregate the decomposed forms of the numbers that we have added. And you're going to see that these numbers are actually the result of adding 350 and 126. So this is our new number. And if we rewrite this, it gives us 476, which is the answer to 350 plus 126. That's 476. Let's now try higher numbers and a little bit faster this time. Let's try 4,342 plus 2,156. Let's write the decomposed forms so that it's much faster for us. So for 4,342, that's equal to 4,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. And then for 2,156, that's equal to 2,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 6. Now we're going to add each value of each place. Okay, so we're going to do the thousands place separately, the hundreds place separately, the tens place separately, and the ones place separately. So let's put a line here so that we can separate the answer from the decomposed numbers. So 4,000 plus 2,000 is 6,000. 300 plus 100 is 400. 40 plus 50 is 90. And 2 plus 6 is 8. So this is now the values of each place of our new number. So we can just put a plus sign here. And if you add all of these together, that gives us the new number, which is 6,498, which is the answer to the question. 4,342 plus 2,156 is 6,498.